Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about comparison operators in PHP. So comparison operators in PHP are used to check either two values are equals, or first value is greater than or less than of the second value, or greater than equal to or less than equal to, or not equal to each other. So here is a double equal sign. This is not an assignment operator, this is an equal sign that check either two values are equal or not. Similarly, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So here I'm gonna describe that how we can use these comparison operators on variables. For example, I have two variables, variable 1 and variable 2. So if I want to check the either the values are equal or not, I'm gonna write here variable 1 is equal to variable 2. This will check either the value of these two variables are same or not. Now I'm gonna write in if statement, if the values are same, echo values are same, and in else otherwise, if the values are not same, the message will be displayed that values are not same. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser, refresh that, open a page, PHP basics comparison.php. So here you can see that values are not same because values of variable 1 and variable 2 are not same. If I write here 100 value, now you can see that both of these variables have the same value. Now the result will be the values are same. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that values are same. So this is one thing that how we can check that either the values of two variables are same or not. If I write here that a variable 1 is less than the second variable, so here I am gonna display that 1 is less than variable 2. Variable 1 is less than variable 2, otherwise 2 is less than variable 1. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that 2 is less than 1. So else in else statement will contain that equal. Now open web browser, refresh the page, you can see that values are equal. So this means that 1 is not less than 2. So if I write here a value of 90, now I'm gonna save this file, open it web browser, you can see that 1 is less than 2. Now this is a less than operator. Similarly we can check greater than operator. So if I write here 900 value and check that variable 1 is greater than variable 2, so I can say that variable 1 is greater than variable 2. So otherwise, so I'm gonna remove the else statement. Now save this file, open it in web browser, refresh the page. So here you can see that 1 is greater than 2. If I write here 1000, that is greater than variable 1, so here will be nothing to display on the web page. Now refresh this page, you can see that there is nothing displayed. Similarly we can use greater than equal to or less than equal to operators. For example, if I write here a 900, the values of both variables are 900, and I write here that if variable 1 greater than or equal to, now it will check that either variable 1 is greater than variable 2 or both of these variables are equal. If one condition from both of these conditions is true, then this message will be displayed on the web page. Now save this file, open in web browser, refresh the page. You can see that 1 is greater than or equal to variable 2. Here you can see that 1 is greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, you can use less than equal to, not equal to. For example, if both variables have different values, and I'm gonna make here a condition that not equal to, if variable 1 not equal to variable 2, so I can print that 1 is not equal to variable 2. Now save this file, open it in web browser. You can see that 1 is not equal to variable 2. Similarly, we can perform these comparison operators on strings. For example, here I have two strings, s1 is equal to hello, and s2 as another string that contains a value hello. So both of these strings have the same value. Now I will check here that if s1 equal to s2, that will compare that either both strings are equal or not. So if s1 is equal to, if both strings are same, then what will be displayed on the web page? Echo that strings are same, and else if the strings are not same, then the message will be displayed that strings are not same. Now save this file, open it web browser, refresh the page. You can see that strings are same is displayed because both of these strings are same. If I change the content of the second string, refresh the page, open it in web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that strings are not same because both of these strings are different from each other. So hopefully guys, you have understood that how we can use comparison operators on variables and on strings. So hopefully, thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.